Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today we're making muffins, bakery style, delicious, fluffy, crumbly muffins. And it's a really easy recipe. You can make it in one bowl, only takes 20 minutes to bake. And you can make it with or without chocolate chips. You can also add other toppings that you like. It's really perfect for a quick on-the-go breakfast or a nice snack after school or after work with a cup of tea or coffee. And you can also make them ahead of time. This recipe here is healthy and it's great especially if you're wanting to add something nutritious and filling into your kids' diet. And you can store these for 3 to 4 days easily without a problem. Keep them in a closed container on the countertop if it's cold, or in the fridge if it's warm where you are currently living. So let's begin with the recipe, starting with the dry ingredients. I have 1 3/4 cups of oat flour, 1/4 cup of rolled oats, quick rolled oats, a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2/3 cup of coconut sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and about half a teaspoon of salt. Cinnamon powder is optional. And also, if you don't have coconut sugar or maple sugar, use brown sugar. Try not to use the white regular sugar because you still want your muffins to have that nice caramelly color, which comes from sugar. It's the same with cookies. That caramelly color, that brown tone, is from brown sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients well and put it on the side. And now let's come to the wet ingredients. I have 1/3 cups of coconut oil, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 2 large eggs, 1 cup unsweetened apple puree or apple sauce, and also half a cup of milk of your choice. If you're dairy free, go dairy free. The recipe turns out amazing no matter what kind of milk you're using. And also please make sure all your ingredients, especially your eggs, are at a room temperature because the coconut oil, it tends to solidify really quickly. So if anything is cold, it's quickly gonna turn into solid chunks and your cupcakes are not gonna turn out well. Once everything is nicely mixed, let your batter sit for 3 to 5 minutes so that oats and the oat flour can hydrate. It's gonna thicken up nicely, as you can see. So once the batter thickens, it's time to add in the toppings. If you want them to have chocolate chips or cranberries or any blueberries, any fillings that you want. You can also make them plain. I'm going to make half of them plain without anything, and in the rest of the batter I'm going to add chocolate chips so that I have 6 plain muffins and 6 with chocolate chips. This recipe gives you a total of 12 medium-sized cupcakes, and you can decorate them however you want. I have a little helper with me today who's helping me adorn half of the cupcakes with chocolate chips for himself. And then all you have to do is bake them in a preheated oven. Your oven has to be at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You bake it for 10 minutes and then reduce it to 400 and then continue to bake for additional 10 minutes. You don't want to open the oven, you don't want to take out the tray. Just adjust the temperature and let the timer continue. And once your cupcakes are ready, take them out and let them settle down. They will have a slight crust if you feel right away, but they will soften up as they cool down. And here you go, your delicious healthy muffins are ready. And I'm gonna open one and I'm gonna show you how amazing it looks. This is actually the next day. I had it for breakfast with a cup of coffee, and they're super soft, so delicious, and really filling. These are great for meal prep, a great on-the-go snack, especially in the kids' school lunch boxes or post-school snack. It's really good. And that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this just as my kids and I enjoyed these cupcakes so much. If you like this video and this recipe, please do consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Until next time, the Homemaker Baker over and out.